Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and um a very good morning. Okay. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we still in the topic one in overview of the international business, and I would like to continue the yesterday lesson for the modular class, and also for the full-time class. I will joining. Okay, I think Aswani is joining me right now, right? Okay, so for the full-time class, I will continue on the last class that we had in the Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Right, and as you can see, this is the overview of international business, but the last time is the part one. So this will be an overview of international business in a part two. Okay, so as you can see, okay. Oh, okay. Tak dengar Kenapa ya? Alright. Langsung tak dengar. Kena stop lah. Hello, Wani.
Hello, Miss.
Dengar tak, Miss?
Ada dah.
Ada Okay.
Ada.
I think that Miss continue there. Okay. Alright. Wani, you can off your audio.
Mute ni. Mute.
Yeah, mute. And then
Okay.
you can open up your camera if you want. If you don't want, also fine.
Tak nak.
Okay. Alright. So the last class, we have touched on the part like I greet again. I greeting again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And sorry, I want to check first. Okay. They said resume.